Welcome back everyone. Today I am taking you on an adrenaline pumping journey into the world's most haunted forest. That is right, we are spending 24 hours in this AR place for MrBeast's scariest challenge yet. So this is a new adventure story, as you know, guys. And everyone, please guys, like this video, please guys, because I want to become like MrBeast. So please guys, if you are free right now, if you want to support me, so please like, okay, and subscribe for more. Let's start our video without wasting time. So just imagine this, okay, and as you know, this is my last video of today, 10th video of today on 4th December 2024. Let's start. As the sun sets and shadows, let's learn together, okay, and shadows creep in, I can feel the weight of history around me. This forest is rumored to be haunted by spirits from a tragic past, lost souls who wander these woods seeking closure. But what can we learn from their stories? First off, let's talk about fear. Fear is a powerful emotion. It can paralyze us or push us to comfort the unknown. In this challenge, it's not just about surviving the night, it's about embracing fear. And what is fear, guys? If you have right now some fears, so must write in the comments if you want, okay? Let's discuss it about together and convert your fears into fun, okay, and education, and transforming it into courage. Each rustle of leaves or distant whisper reminds us that we must face our demons head on. And then there is the lesson of connection. These woods hold tales of love, loss, and longing. As we explore, we realize that every ghost story has a deeper meaning, a reminder of our shared humanity. It teaches us to cherish our relationships and appreciate the moments we have with loved ones. Finally, let's not forget the importance of respect. Whether you believe in the supernatural or not, this forest deserves reverence. Nature is a powerful force, and treating it with care is essential. So here is my challenge to you. Next time you encounter something, what is mean of encounter? If you know, then write. If you don't know, then must write your question mark in the comments, and then I will tell you and define in detail, okay? Something that scares you, whether it's a haunted forest or a personal fear. Remember these lessons. Embrace your fears, connect with those around you, and always show respect for the world we inhabit. Stay tuned for more updates as I dive deeper into this chilling adventure. Who knows what awaits in the darkness? Bye for now.